Hey y'all, it's me Deja V and I'm back at it again with another video. Today I'm going to be trying out some new edge controls for you guys just to see which ones really work. I have 6 edge controls and as you can see my edges are pretty undone, like very undone. I really don't do my edges like that, but sometimes in situations like this, when you have styles like this, like you really want your hair to be, you want it to look neat, you want it to look tamed, and that's just what I gotta do. So I'm gonna try these out for y'all. Some of them I've tried before and I know how they work for me somewhat, but like I said, I don't really wear edge controls all the time, so you know, we're gonna see, because I'm gonna compare it to some, you know, really popular ones, and we're just gonna see which ones work best for me. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm gonna be working with today. So first I have the Kiss Edge Fixer Glued Max Hold in the Cherry Blossom scent. I have not used this product before. It smells pretty good. It smells like edge control with a hint of, I don't know if it smells like cherry blossom, but it smells like something. It don't smell bad. So this is what it's looking like. So I have my, it's akin to edge styler, I guess. It's got a brush and a comb, and I'm gonna use the brush because I really don't know how to get down with the comb like that. But it's clean, free of products. And I'm going to get some of this in here like that. And then I'm going to try to style my edges. So that's what it's looking like so far. Honestly, if it don't look perfect, I'm okay with that. I just kind of want to see which one's going to hold the most. Okay, so I have a wet paper towel here. I'm going to wipe that out. And then I'm going to go in with my next one. Okay, on the other side at the top over here, I'm going to go in with the Style Factor Edge Booster. I've used most of this one. I did get a bigger one actually. This one actually smells like the Kiss. And this is a pomade. It's not the edge control, but our pomades usually have a lot more hold. So we're going to see what this thing is thinking, okay? Now again, I'm gonna wipe it on my wet paper towel, and then I'm gonna go in with the Magic Collection Edge Effect. This is actually something I found at a local beauty supply store in Charlotte. If you're from Charlotte, then it's from Tyson, just so you know. And this is the Extreme Hold, which is level 5, and that's the highest level. I have used this plenty of times before, and I actually really like this. Of the multiple edge controls I've tried, this one has worked the best. Okay, so I'm gonna go in right here, brush it, and bada bing bada boom. Wiping it off. And now I'm gonna go in with Let's Jam Extra Hold Condition and Shine Jam. Yeah, I mean, people, they be using this, and they be using another one for braids and stuff. That's what it's looking like on the inside. It's dark. Well, it looks very dark because the container is dark, but it's actually blue. I don't know if you can see that. Blue. Gonna go in with it over here. Now I'm gonna show the other side some love. Oh, I had a lot of that in here. Okay, next I have the Curls Passion Fruit Curl Control Paste. And this actually smells really good. Really freaking good. Okay, now I'm going on the other side in the middle here. Cleaning it off. And then lastly, I'm gonna go in with the Murray's Extreme Hold Edge Wax. I have tried this before too. Honestly, I don't recall it working that well, even though a lot of people, I've heard multiple people say like Murray's is, you know, it's the jam. But I don't know, maybe I didn't use it right, so we're gonna try it again. I haven't wet my edges, and sometimes I do wet my edges before I do my edges, so we're gonna try it without wetting it and see if it holds. Okay, I'm gonna do this bottom, this corner right here. And yes, the Murray's is it's white. It's white. So I'm gonna go and get a scarf, and then I'm going to, you know, show y'all me tying it down, just so y'all see me tie it down. And then it's like 6:40 now p.m. so I do gotta go somewhere and do a few things, and I'm gonna just, you know, I'm gonna hold it on there for a while, come back, show y'all, and then come back and show y'all later and see which one lasted. I might even work out with the edge control on, just, you know, to see which one, you know, holds up the best. So we're gonna find out. Okay, so I have this bandana just from Walmart. I'm gonna fold it and fold it again like that. And I just want to note, I recommend using a bandana or something with like cotton, because whenever I've used silk, I don't know, it just doesn't like absorb. The product just doesn't really have the chance to kind of like breathe and dry out. And you know, silk holds the like silk or satin, it holds the moisture in, and nothing's wrong with that. But with the edge control, if you want it to stay better, it's my personal opinion that you should use something like this, or one of those wraps that they use at the salons. I guess you could probably get that from the beauty supply store or something like that too. I'm gonna let this sit on my head probably about, I don't know, however long I feel, I guess 20 minutes maybe. And then I'll come back and I'll show you the dried edges. So yeah, this should be pretty, you know, dried and defined, right? So we're gonna take a look here. And then honestly, I'm probably going to do a quick workout, probably like 15-20 minutes. So I'm gonna see if they stay, and I'm gonna come back up here afterward. Okay. This one is the Jam. This one is the Magic Edge Effect. This one is the Style Factor Edge Booster Pomade. This is the Kiss. This is the Curls. And this is the Murray's. So, no, my edges aren't perfect. They weren't perfect before. But so far, the Magic Edge Effect, the Style Factor, the Kiss, and the Murray's are the ones holding the strongest. The Jam is a no, and the Curls is a no. So yeah, my edges are not perfect, and like I said, I'm really not an edge slayer. But what we're really trying to do is see which products hold for the longest. So yeah, so I'm going to do my quick workout, get a little sweat in, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see how much they stayed. Okay guys, so I just got done doing my workout. It's only about a 23-minute workout, and then I stretched. So I'm about to look at my hair. I haven't looked at it yet. So yeah. Okay. This is the Magic Collection Edge Effect. Still looking pretty good as far as hold goes. And then this is the Style Factor Edge Booster Pomade. It looks like it wants to hold, but it's kind of letting up a little bit. And then this, the Kiss Edge Control, also looking like it wants to hold, but not really getting there. And then this, the Murray's Beeswax. It's trying. So right now, the Magic Collection Edge Effect is taking the cake. The Style Factor Edge Booster and the Kiss Edge Fixer are doing okay, even with a little bit of sweat action. Not a lot of sweat. Now if you're gonna go do a HIIT workout, yeah, it just might just be gone. But you know, they're trying. They're trying, except for the other two that got canceled in the beginning. I think that's going to conclude the end of this video. I have only had this stuff on for 7 hours, including a workout. I'm going to go ahead and rank my top ones. So the Magic Collection Edge Effect is going to be my number 1. And honestly, the Style Factor and the Kiss are probably going to be tied. They honestly, no. So I'm gonna give the Style Factor 2 and I'm gonna give the Kiss 2.5. It's not totally a 3, but you know, it's getting there. So it's after, but it's not a whole point after the Style Factor. Yeah, after looking at it, the Style Factor is still, it's like a little more laid in that position than the Kiss. So alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I will catch you on my next one. Peace.